Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to configure a FortiAP with FortiGate firewall, create an SSID, connect Wi-Fi clients, and finally set up internet access with the right firewall policy. If you are setting up a new FortiAP or troubleshooting your Wi-Fi network, this guide will walk you through the entire process in detail. So let's get started. So I have accessed the FortiGate firewall through port 1 using the default IP address 192.168.1.99, which is bound to internal one. From the CLI, I run the command get system ARP to verify my laptop IP. You can see that one dot. Next, I will connect my FortiAP to the firewall. For that, I will remove internal PHY from the VLAN switch and click OK to save the changes. Now internal file is visible under the physical interface. I will configure internal file by setting an alias. You can give it any name and then set the role to the LAN. For the addressing mode, choose manual and assign a free private IP address. I will type 172.167.8/24. For administrative access, enable HTTPS and security fabric connection so the FortiAP can be managed via FortiGate. Then enable the DHCP server if required. Configure the address range, subnet marks, and ensure the status is enabled. Finally, press OK to save the changes. Now I will connect the LAN cable from the FortiAP to the internal 5 port on the FortiGate. So I will connect my FortiAP LAN cable to my FortiGate to the internal 5 port. So now it's showing green, which means it's connected. To confirm, I will check the ARP table again using the get system ARP command, and yes, the FortiAP is now showing as connected. Next, go to the log and reports. I will first of all refresh it and then go to the log and report. Then in the system events and under Wi-Fi events, you can check the logs. Here the controller is showing up. The FortiAP might take some time to fully boot up. Now go to Wi-Fi and switch controller setting. Here we will create a new SSID. First of all, is managed for FortiAP. It will take some time. So we will first of all go create a new SSID. In the name field, I will type account name, account team. So you can type anything as per your requirement. In the bridge mode, the clients will receive IPs from the LAN range, and internal mode, you need to manually set up the IP address. For example, I will type 172.16.8.1/24. So finally, so far I enable ping for connectivity testing. Then enable the DHCP server with the required range. Under Wi-Fi setting, give the SSID name. This will be visible when users connect to Wi-Fi. This name. So give as per your requirement. For security set mode, WPA to personal, and configure the pre-shared key. This is your Wi-Fi password. You can set it single or multiple. You can use a single key or multiple keys. Enable it, and this is the configuration of the SSID. Then click OK to save. Status will be enabled. Next, we will create the FortiAP profile. So go to the FortiAP profile. Don't use the default profile. Instead, make it clone the default and edit it. So press OK. So clone profile is created. So here is radio 1, radio 2. Under channels, select 3 channels. Scroll down to SSID, set it to manual and add the newly created SSID under radio 2 as well. Same as radio 1, make it manual and click created clone profile. This is the configuration of the FortiAP profile. This is 5 gigahertz and now press OK to save the configuration. So now we have created both the SSID and the profile. Then go to manage FortiAP setting. You will see one FortiAP is showing as authorization request. Then check under Wi-Fi events. You will see message in the Wi-Fi events. See the message that the AP has been added. You can see that message. Then go to manage FortiAPs. Then click on the device. Choose the authorization option and authorize it. The status will now show connecting. Then edit the AP. We need to edit the AP. So click on a device, then click on edit. It's still showing connecting. So give the name to it, and we need to apply the created profile to this FortiAP. So we will apply created clone profile. That's the configuration of the once after the authorization of the device. Okay, then press OK to save. The FortiAP will briefly show as offline after applying the profile. This is normal as it takes 1 to 2 minutes to come online. So fine, so we'll refresh it and it's showing offline now. So here is Wi-Fi clients. We will see how much clients are connected. Actually it's showing the connecting. Now you can see that AP is showing online. I will go to the Wi-Fi events to check the logs. Here's the SSID is showing up. So AP is successfully online. It's compatible with the FortiGate version. So next step, I will check on my laptop if the account team SSID is visible in the network range. So I will go to the my laptop Wi-Fi setting. So I will disconnect my this connected Wi-Fi and I will try to you can see manage FortiAPs AP showing online and SSID name is my account team. So I will you can live screen see that account team is showing. So I will try to connect using the password which I have set in the SSID setting. It's getting connected. So you can see that it's getting connected and it's successfully connected. In the Wi-Fi clients list you can see that I have received the IP 172.168.2. To confirm that I will also open the CMD and I will run ipconfig all on my laptop and it's showing the same IP 172.16.8.2. So Now I will create the firewall policy to allow internet access.